In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up with Dropbox. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to make sure your important folders are safely backed up to your Dropbox account. First, open the Dropbox menu from your computer. Look for the Dropbox icon in your taskbar on Windows or your menu bar on a Mac. It's the little open box. If you don't see it on Windows, click the small arrow to reveal hidden icons. This opens the Dropbox panel where you can control sync and settings. Next, in that panel, click your profile picture or your initials in the top corner and choose Preferences. This takes you into Dropbox's settings on your computer where you can fine-tune behavior without using a web browser. Preferences is where you'll find options for sync, notifications, and most importantly for today, backups. Inside Preferences, go to the Backups tab, then click Manage Backups. The Backups tab is specifically designed for protecting key folders on your computer so they're automatically copied to Dropbox. Manage Backups will walk you through choosing which folders to include and enabling the system-level access Dropbox needs to do the job reliably. Now choose what to protect. You'll see common folders like desktop, documents, and downloads. Check the boxes next to the folders you want backed up. This means Dropbox will keep those folders synced to your account and up to date across devices. A quick tip, make sure you have enough space in your Dropbox plan for the total size of what you select. And keep in mind that large media libraries may take longer on the first upload. If your organization manages your device, you might need permission to include certain locations. When you're ready, click Setup and follow the prompts. Dropbox may ask for permission to access your folders or confirm their locations. Approve these so the backup can start. You'll see progress indicators as files begin syncing. Leave your computer on and connected to the internet, especially for the initial backup. You can keep working while this runs. Dropbox handles updates in the background and will continue to protect any new or changed files automatically. You'll know a folder is in good shape when you see the green check marks next to files in your file manager and a up-to-date status in the Dropbox menu. That's all there is to it. You opened the Dropbox menu, went into Preferences, used the Backups tab to manage backups, selected the folders that matter most, and completed setup. With that, your files are safer, easier to recover, and available wherever you sign into Dropbox.